This Marx-Bensdorf Realtors property video is presented by David Tester. What a fine home! The previous owner replaced the windows and roof, and updated the kitchen. Current owners updated and refreshed it inside and out. Among the exterior improvements, removed about 15 trees including stumps and roots, removed bamboo thicket, replaced part of the wood fence, replaced the damaged part of the driveway, removed old wood deck and added concrete patio, properly prepared soil and added Zoysia sod in back and Bermuda sod in front, and added double gate to backyard. Interior improvements include new carpeting, new lighting, new dry bar with quartz counters and beverage refrigerator in den, new mantel and floating shelves, and new cabinet hardware in kitchen. This is a lot of great home for under $500,000. For more information,